Hey guys, this is Dana from Torn Galaxy, and in this video we're going to take you on Smuggler's Run here at Galaxy's Edge in Disney's Hollywood Studios in 4K at 60 frames per second. We hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please make sure you all like, subscribe, so it'll be greatly appreciated. Become part of the Pod Squad. Also remember to hit the notification bell to know whenever we go live or making a video. Also make sure to follow us on social media, Torn Galaxy on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Let's get to the video and hope you guys enjoy.
Solutions. We are a legitimate business. We just ask that you sign on the dotted line, but don't read the fine print. There's nothing to see here, okay?
I just heard your voice.
I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon. On load for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend! As we agreed, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, I get all the profits. Wow, the first one will never know where they are. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. And if and when you are successful, the rewards will be astronomical for me. And you, of course, after all, even split 70-25 minus your 10% of 25. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. And as we always say here at the Nucket Transport Solutions, get out of here and go make handles of money.
Items go in those outside
Por favor,
pouches.
permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños.
I'm scared I'm gonna mess this up. Oh, only the one. I want to touch everything.
Engineers, automatic repair engaged. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly up and push forward to fly down. Go, gunners, auto weapons engaged. Left pilot, get the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. There's the train. Those heavy ties are protecting the train. Take them out. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. There it is, after that train. Left pilot, brakes. Good work. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. You got one! Excellent, my friends! I grab the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they need, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that car. Gunship! Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. The Star Destroyer is collapsing. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost, boost, boost. Look, we did not die. Let's get out of here! Great job, my friends. You retrieved one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut, minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon, is... Oh, that is rough.
We did 43%. Good detail.
We are ready.